Holy moly. No, this is not lunch, you idiot. Oh my god, it's freaking 3 o'clock in the afternoon. What's good, YouTube? Thank you for tuning into our video. It is Neil from Secret Clinic. Please follow us at sneaker.clinic, YouTube, Instagram. We're gonna do a cleaning tutorial. What do we got? This one is just strictly cleaning. Very simple. Oh la 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 la. Nike React. It's kind of soft and squishy. I like. Why am I doing this? Now it's all freaking dirty. If you guys don't know, I tend to wear black shirts, and there's a reason for that. In the old videos, I actually made fun of myself because I tend to wear black t-shirts wherever I go, to work, at home, when I'm going out. I just whatever. I have a 360. If you guys got this pair of runners, I think this is some kind of running shoe, walking shoe. I don't really care, but my customer is a returning customer. Ew, so gross. Gross, I meant the shoes. I mean, like, you know, like this stain, you know, it's gross. Okay, my customer, she's very cool. Wow, yeah, this is not that bad except for the little toe stains there. And the bottoms right here, her feet with a very, very stiffy brush. The insoles, the inside, we're actually gonna clean it. Already, I did 2 rounds of the softy brush on the upper, and this is completely dry, air dry. Now, I'm gonna use the medium brush. What we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and clean the Nike React, whatever stupid technology, the cushioning. The bottoms, we're gonna use the medium brush before switching to the stiffy brush. Yes, the film crew told me to swap out my freaking camo top to the black t-shirt because I need to maintain consistency with my other videos because I'm always wearing black. Now, do this, do what I do. This is live. Let's test it out. See how useless the medium brush is. All right, give the bottom a good massage. If you're weird, if you're a creep, give the bottom of the foot a good massage. No? Inappropriate? Still? Okay. Wow, I just want to make my videos more entertaining. Okay. Alright, give the bottom Nike React a good scrub. With the exciting Rejuvenator brush. Oh, we can stop. Oh, too much. Now, I'm gonna use, I really don't want it. Damn it. I'm gonna have to use my nice yellow cloth to clean the bottom. Now, this is only the medium brush. Check this out. Look at this area. Look at that. It's actually a big difference. Now, you guys are like, oh no, I don't want to use the stiffy brush to damage this material because it's very soft. Don't worry. You don't need to put too much pressure. Look at me. I'm just placing it on the material. Just going back and forth, circular motion, left and right, north, west, south, east. East again, a little bit of west. All right, now, this is not too shabby. All right, cool. I don't know if you guys can see if there's a difference. I'm gonna go ahead and show you how to do this live, no time lapse in this video. Get started, let's put this over here. All right, change the camera, guys. We are going to do an up close and personal, no time lapse video of me just scrubbing the bottoms like ASMR without the ASMR. Yeah, did you guys switch the camera yet? Of course you didn't. This is getting old. The worst film crew ever. What? No, I didn't say anything. I said, this is the best job ever. Cleaning soles. Time to clean the dirty insoles. WTF, guys? What the hell's this? It almost killed me. Corsair. RM850X high performance ATX power supply for the computer. 8 plus gold. Ooh, not bad. 10-year warranty. What is this? This is a joke. Is this the Corsair power supply? Apevia. 800 watts. Prestige. Powered. Ew! Oh, okay. Seriously, what's going on? You guys try to swap out my computer's power supply, and then you realize that it already comes with an 800 watt, 80 plus gold rated, and you try to replace it with the Corsair 850 watt power supply, which is a boost of 50 watts. Are you guys retarded or something? You didn't replace it? You just removed my old power supply, and you left it there because you gave up. Because it's too complicated. Too many cables. Okay, well, where's the Corsair power supply? You guys just kept it? Well, great, because now I can't use a freaking computer. All right, let's put this shit down. God. All right, seriously, oh my God, I'm gonna have to slap you with my customers' dirty, but not very dirty, insoles. Now, I'm gonna use the softy brush. Got a clean bowl of solution here. Let's just twirl this around. By the way, the shoe is pretty much done. The bottom's all nice. Feet scrubbed. The outside, I gotta do a little bit more work because there's still a little bit of stains, but that's actually not that bad because it's looking pretty good. The inside, I'm just gonna use the soft bristle brush and do that. Let's do it. Make sure it's a scrubby-dubby-dubby. Once you're done, pat it dry and then use the medium brush and just do that. Don't have to do too hard. If you use a stiffy brush on the insoles, I'm going to deliver this Apevia to you. I love cleaning insoles. Oh, that's the best. And use the medium brush, and yeah, just do this. Oh, hold on. You see this? Okay, just what the? Oh my God! See all this foot evidence? Oh, kind of nasty. Oh, I've seen worse. We're going to try to get rid of it. Focus on that target. Go multi-direction. Oh my God, just get rid of this crap. Now with this smelly insoles out of the way, you're like, how do we clean the inside? Softy brush, and just clean it, just like you would normally clean the exterior of the shoe. It's a little bit tricky to get inside the areas like this, especially if the brush is really big, like the new Rejuvenator ones, they're so big. Can't even freaking fit it in this shoe. I'm using the old Rejuvenator brushes, by the way. It works so much better. What? No, I haven't tested the new Rejuvenator brushes yet. Well, for one, they made a medium brush, white color. That's pretty racist. Let's pretend that I finished cleaning the inside, let it air dry, and lace it up. Oh, in case you guys are wondering how do you clean the laces, I actually got a little bit lazy and just dumped this along with my laundry. Put it in a net, of course. Ba-bam, bam. Okay, you get the point. Let's wrap this video up because I'm very busy now. I'm gonna strangle you with this power cord. Now, I don't think a lot of people actually do this, but I'm gonna probably be the first. Let's do a cleaning tutorial. Make sure it is not plugged in because, oh my God, this is high voltage. I don't even think I want to do this. Give me my freaking Corsair power supply, please. Oh, you smell really bad. Well, guess what? You told me to swap out the camel shirt, okay? I didn't have time to actually wash all my black t-shirts, and it's starting to stink in this den room. It worked. No, it didn't. It actually smells like monkey crack filled with rotten bananas and then a little bit of molded apple with a little bit of grated cheddar cheese and then some mayonnaise on it with mustard topped with sour vinegary pickles. Why am I doing this? I don't know. I'm just...